And a very warm welcome to my channel, everyone. On the Walk of Flame today, I'm cooking a pudding that's sweet, saucy, gooey and yummy. Self-saucing banana, sultana and butterscotch pudding. The perfect pud for a barbecue finale. So let's get started. I have 3 ripe bananas. In fact, these are a little overripe, but are still okay. At the moment, I just need 2 of them, which I'm mashing with a fork. With the bananas mashed, I'm adding them to a large mixing bowl, along with 2 tablespoons of milk. Next, 2 large free-range eggs, lightly beaten and added to the mixing bowl. Over a low heat, melt 100 grams of unsalted butter. I'm using my vintage mixer. Can you believe this machine was purchased by my mum in the 1960s and it's still going strong. Once the butter has melted, add it to the mixing bowl. Fit the K-beater to the mixer and we're ready to go. With the machine running, I'm adding 125 grams of golden caster sugar. I almost forgot. A few grinds of salt. With the sugar now mixed in, add 250 grams of self-raising flour, followed by 35 grams of sultanas. You can use any dried fruit cut to about the same size as sultanas. The flavour will change, but it will still be just as yummy. With everything mixed, pour the mixture into a buttered baking dish. Slice the remaining banana on the diagonal and scatter over the pudding along with 40 grams of sultanas or whatever dried fruit you are using. Now to make the butterscotch sauce. To a small pan, add 150 grams of light brown soft sugar, 150 ml of double cream and 150 ml of water. No need to rinse the measuring jug. Over a medium heat, bring to the boil, stirring occasionally. Once boiling, carefully pour the sauce over the pudding. Outside, I'm lighting and setting up my Weber Q for indirect cooking, using 2 very useful accessories, the aluminium heat shield and grid. With the lid closed, the grill should cook similar to that of a fan oven. At 180 degrees C, bake the pudding for 30 to 35 minutes until the pud is firm to touch. Take it off the grill. Add the finishing touches by sprinkling the top with a mixture of 1 tablespoon of golden caster sugar and 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. And there it is, a delicious pudding that really goes down well, served either hot or cold. Give us a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video so far. If you'd like to know more about this recipe, or indeed the Weber Q, all you have to do is click that button, activate and ding the bell, and leave your question in the comments box below. And I will get back to you, that's a promise. Now, here's the recipe recap. This recipe makes 6 generous portions. Go on, I'll have another spoonful. Served with whipped cream or a scoop of ice cream, that is the perfect pudding for a barbecue. Now it's tasting time.
It's sweet, saucy, gooey. Every spoonful's a sheer delight.
That's all for this time. Join me next time and see what's cooking on my Weber Q. So from me, the old geezer at the grill, the dude with the food, it's goodbye and thanks for watching.